Hello, hello, hello. Hello, my dear kids. Now, ma'am is waiting for you. So, today I'm here with my very interesting and very valuable concept, that is be safe or safety at school. Yes, so we should be careful in our house, at school, on the road, in every place. Okay, so this is the concept of safety at school. It is very important to know the safety rules at school. Okay, so by following these rules, we can protect ourselves. By following these safety at school, you can protect yourself completely. So now ma'am will tell you what are safety rules. So staying away from danger. Staying away from danger is called safety. We should always try our best to live safely. The safety rules should be followed in home, at school, on the road. Actually, safety rules should be followed everywhere. But I will tell you safety at school. Safety at school. Safety at school. So, who is he? He is a puppet. Yes. So, one day, what happened? This puppet is crying. So, why he is crying? He is crying. So, the puppet informed the children that while this puppet was playing, while the child was playing with a pencil, then she suddenly, who is she? She suddenly poked the pencil in her eyes, in his eyes. Now the eyes is hurting, and that is the reason why the puppet is crying. That is the reason. So he continues crying and says, also that girl pushed me, and when I was coming to class and I was hurt, and she pushed me to the electric board. To the electric board. This is an electric board, and I was so scared, as I remember teacher saying that we must not touch the electric wires or sockets, otherwise we can hurt myself, otherwise we can hurt ourselves. So he continues crying, and then what happened? He continuously trying. Then teachers comes, and teachers make him understand. And then what happened? Then there are some harmful objects. The teachers is trying to show some harmful objects to everyone. As you know, these harmful objects are talking to each other. First of all, who comes? The pointed pencil speaks, I can hurt and harm you. So be careful not to poke me. So be careful not to poke me. The pointed pencil speaks, I can hurt you and harm you. So be careful not to poke me. Otherwise our eyes will be hurt now. Then next, the wire comes. Then the wire comes, and the wire says, do not touch me. Do not touch me or you will hurt yourself. Then I pass currents and can shock you. I pass current and can shock you. Now next, the electric board comes, and he says, do not open me or close me. Do not open me and close me. Do not open me and close me. I warn you, and I warn you. Do not open me and close me. I warn you. Then the push actions come. Where the push action? Then the push action comes and he says, do not push others. Walk in a line. Do not push others. Walk in a line. Do not run in corridors, as pushing will harms other. As pushing will harms other. So now what you have to do? What you have not to do? So do not make a ball with newspaper. Do not make a ball with newspaper, and we should not throw the balls on each other. Okay, we should not make a ball like this. Wait, this is a newspaper na? Now I am making a ball, and if I throw this newspaper ball on someone, that it's not good na, it's a bad behavior. So we should not do like this. So there are many other safety points. You should follow them. The first is, be careful on the stairs. Be careful on the stairs. Now do not throw the waste. Do not throw the waste here and there. You should always throw the waste in the dustbin, and we should always walk in a queue. When you are at your school, then you should walk in a queue. Now do not go with any strangers. Do not go anywhere with strangers. Now be careful on the stairs, otherwise you will fall down and you can hurt yourself. Then when you are on the playground, when you are playing with your friends na, then wait for your turn. So now today we learn these points of safety. Try to follow them at your school as well as at your home. So it's time to say goodbye. I hope you liked and enjoy my class, and now ma'am is very happy. So it's time to go, but ma'am will come back very soon with another interesting concept. So take care and goodbye, and follow the instructions.